For billions of years, the Milky Way has drifted in silence, an island of hundreds of billions of stars, gas and dust, spiraling gracefully through the void. Somewhere in one of its quiet arms, a small yellow sun gave birth to something extraordinary. Us. From the beginning, we looked up and wondered where we came from, never realizing that one day, everything we know will be rewritten by forces beyond imagination. Because even as we watch the stars, something vast has been moving toward us, something unstoppable. Our neighbor, the Andromeda galaxy. Across 2.5 million light-years, Andromeda has been silently falling toward us, pulled by gravity's endless call. For decades, astronomers believed it was certain. In 4 to 5 billion years, our two galaxies would collide head-on, merging into one colossal new galaxy. It was destiny written in the stars. But now, science tells a more uncertain story. New data from Gaia and Hubble have changed our view. Recent simulations suggest that Andromeda's trajectory might not lead to a direct collision after all. There's now a 50-50 chance the galaxies will simply brush past each other, locked in a gravitational dance that never ends. Not a cataclysm, but an eternal waltz. Imagine the skies of that far, distant Earth. Every 1,000 years, Andromeda grows brighter, larger, more defined. Its spiral arms begin to stretch across the heavens, painting the night with countless suns. Eventually, it dominates the entire sky, a vast, glowing whirlpool of stars colliding with our own, a sight that no living being will ever forget, if any are still around to witness it. Then, if the collision begins, the first gravitational tides tear through both galaxies, warping their shapes. Massive clouds of gas collide, igniting waves of star formation, a brilliant but violent rebirth. The night skies of distant worlds explode with newborn stars, nebulae, and radiation storms. At the center of each galaxy, supermassive black holes, one in the Milky Way, one in Andromeda, start spiraling toward each other. They dance a deadly duet for millions of years before merging into a single monstrous black hole, billions of times more massive than the Sun. Its gravitational storms will reshape the newborn galaxy. Astronomers call this future titan, Milky. And what of us? Our solar system, a mere speck on the galactic scale, will not escape unscathed. As the Milky Way's structure collapses and reforms, gravity's wild tides could throw the solar system into a new orbit, far from the galactic center, perhaps 3 times farther than it is today. We'd become outliers in a vast elliptical galaxy. But there's another possibility. Some simulations suggest a small, yet chilling 12% chance that our solar system could be ejected entirely, flung into the intergalactic void. If that happens, our sun and its planets would drift endlessly through the darkness, a lonely bubble of warmth between galaxies. A cosmic castaway, and yet even if we survive the galactic chaos, our own star will not. Long before the collision reaches its peak, around 5 billion years from now, the sun will run out of fuel. It will expand into a red giant, swallowing Mercury, Venus, and perhaps Earth itself. The oceans will boil away. The surface will burn. Only lifeless rock will remain, circling a dying sun. But maybe humanity will no longer be bound to Earth by then. Maybe, somewhere among the stars or aboard artificial worlds, our descendants, flesh or digital, will watch this cosmic spectacle unfold, knowing they came from the small blue world that once orbited a yellow star. After billions of years of chaos, the dust settles. The Milky Way and Andromeda, once proud spirals, merge into a single, massive elliptical galaxy. Its heart burns with the light of 1 trillion stars. And somewhere on its outskirts, our ancient sun, perhaps dim and old, continues its quiet orbit. Stable, peaceful, forgotten. In this new cosmic order, time stretches on. Stars are born and die. black holes grow fat and silent, and the universe continues its slow, inevitable expansion. Trillions of years later, the stars themselves will fade. Their fires will go out one by one, leaving behind only black dwarfs and quiet embers of creation. Galaxies will vanish beyond each other's horizons, and the universe will fall into eternal darkness. But maybe, somewhere in that darkness, a probe or an artificial mind will remember. It will carry within its memory the story of the Milky Way and of the beings who once looked up at the night sky and dared to dream of eternity. Because even when the stars die, wonder survives. If this glimpse into our galaxy's future moved you, subscribe to Eternal Skies. Together, we explore the beauty, mystery, and destiny of the cosmos, one story at a time.